future bestsellers, Lisa Daly here. It's Publishing Q&A Thursday, which means today I am answering your publishing and writing questions. Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning in today. I am Lisa Daly. I'm a traditionally published author of 9 books, and if you want to write a book you are super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. So I hope you'll hit that subscribe button because I'll be putting up a lot of videos this year to help you do just that. Okay, on to the question. So Collect Call says, hi there, I saw several of your YouTube videos. I am now obsessed with your channel. Thank you very much for that. I am wondering this, is it okay to set your story somewhere that you've never visited or lived if you research enough to make it accurate? Well, the answer to this question is yes, absolutely. In fact, writers do this all the time. I think we all can figure out that J.K. Rowling never lived at Hogwarts, and certainly there are plenty of fantasy novels that take place in worlds that don't even exist. So if you are going to be writing about a real place, if you're going to be setting your novel in a place that actually exists, such as New Orleans, you want to make sure that you are doing a ton of research so that you really get that locals feel into the book. And then the second thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a couple of readers who are from that area, or at least who live there, to beta read your book, just to make sure that you're not missing any sort of locals only join, or that you're not looking at this setting from the eyes of a tourist. If you are a little insecure about where you are setting your novel, you're going to do your best to do great research, and you'll have a beta reader check it out. You can always make your character new to the area. That way you can get some things right, other things you'll be forgiven for because your character knows as much about your setting as you do. Thanks so much for writing in. That was an awesome question. If you have a question that you would like me to answer in a future writing video, make sure that you leave me a note in the comments section below, or you can always hit me up on social media. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, you'll probably like this one too. You might want to check it out. See you next time.